साथ कुछ यादें, कुछ लम्हे बतौर इनाम मिले, एक सफ़र पर निकले और तजुर्बे तमाम मिले। Good morning all of you. My name is Alam and today is my last day in this batch. So I want to share my experience. When I came in American Institute, I was not able to speak any word of English, and I have no confidence to public speaking. I had no confidence to public speaking, and I had not also dressing sense and how to talk to people, how to communicate the people. So after coming here, when I started to learning English and started to attending the class, after that, when Raj sir taught us that how to speak, how to speak in front of public, and she told us lot of things, and I learned that, and I groomed myself, and that was best moment for us, for me. So, and I am speaking because of Mr. Raj sir. So Raj sir is the best teacher according to me. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Anisha ma'am, do you want to say something?
You think that is speaker? Nice. All of us experience. You are in a American Institute today. We are sitting with the 9 to 11 match, and they are going to complete their 2 months in American, right? So they were dedicated like towards American Institute guys. They were very punctual. I'm talking about you guys, and today they celebrated a farewell party here in American Institute because they are going to leave American. So in the future, I will miss you a lot when you will go from here. But one option you have which provides by American Institute, that is you have got LMC card. So obviously you can take advantage of that. You can complete your LMC and join again for the conversation, because lot of the beginners, those who are coming in American, they will learn something from you, because you guys are just assets of American now. So the mountain which you have become in American, you will be a star for the public and for those who are not able to speak in English. Because by you guys, I'm going to impart something from American Institute, okay? So it was great experience. As a teacher, I can say that this was good batch. You guys were punctual in American, came on time regular. You were regular and speaking English, except Janam ma'am, if I talk about. Sorry, Amna ma'am, she was speaking Hindi, but still I'm with her because I'm helping nature. So I will help her till death, right? If she will be a part of American, I will help her, not her only, you guys. But I request to Amna ma'am, please speak in English. And Gee, so it was great moment with you guys. I will miss this moment in the future. And but I can request you guys, please, you are not going for like long lasting. You are going for momentum, like for 2 months. After that, again come back to American, okay? So one by one, you have to say your experience in American. What did you get? I didn't teach you a lot of things. Only I just taught something which can be the part of communication and the part of like public speaking, the part of like how to speak and how to talk someone. You like didn't study too much about the American. I can't say that you have completed all the things. 60 to 65% things you have done only in American. So 35 or 40 actually is going to be left. So I hope in future when you will like join American, so I will teach you all the things regarding like public speaking, news reporting, presentation, and interview as well. You guys missed that moment. That's why we didn't organize here, because you postponed, and the second thing, you were not interested to do this thing. That's why I didn't do that. So first of all, I'm going to come one by one. You have to say the experience in the mind, which the video is going to be uploaded for the whole life, and people they will watch this batch for long lasting. So first of all, I'm going to Alicia because she's getting late. So ma'am, please tell some experience about American Institute, wherever you have studied here, please tell.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. As you know, my name is Alisha, and I'm from Barabanki. American Institute is very good because when I joined the American Institute, I didn't speak a little bit, but now I am here to communicate to every person is very well. And I don't know how to presentation on the podium and how to public speaking and how to crack interview. But now I joined to American Institute. Now I speak is very well. And few days ago I joined to TVS company as a sales executive by the Raj sir because he encouraged me to how to crack to interview. That's why I joined TVS company. And thank you so much, Raj sir, because it's very good and very humble nature.
You're amazing.
And very good institute in Barabanki. And everybody needs to know the communication skills is very important to all industry. That's why I joined American Institute. I'm very good. Thank you so much, everyone.
Sounds good. Yeah, Jaina ma'am, please.
I want to dedicate the quality for us, sir, because every time he smiled. That's why. You nothing do when I say muskurao, all you muskurao, okay?
Smile. Smile, please.
मुस्कुराओ अगर आज कहीं से हार गए हो किसी को उस जीत की तुमसे ज्यादा जरूरत थी शायद मुस्कुराओ अगर दिल टूट गया है किसी का जोड़ने के लिए किसी का तोड़ना पड़ता होगा शायद और अगर फिर भी रह जाए दिल के दर्द कहीं तो बात कर मुस्कुराओ और है कि अगर इतनी खुशी ज्यादा उसे थोड़ा सा सहराओ मुस्कुराओ जब बार बार ये सोचकर हताश हो जाते हो कि इससे अच्छा ये हो जाता उससे अच्छा वो हो जाता तभी सोच कर मुस्कुराओ कि इससे बुरा हो जाता तो क्या हो जाता मुस्कुराओ अगर सब पे है छत बदल कर कपड़ा और है थाली में खाना और है अगर जरूरत से ज्यादा तो बात करे खाना मुस्कुराओ अगर कोई पूछे कि जिंदगी से तुमने क्या है सीखा मुस्कुराओ ये कहकर कि हमने जिंदगी से मुस्कुराना ही सीखा
Talent you guys have actually in American. Now on farewell you are guys going to be saying actually she said that you have problems in your life, even how to overcome that and how to be happy. That was a great line. Some of line touched to my heart. Sorry sir, take me to the doctor. Ji, I'm going to, yeah, right now. I'm going to Mr. Swaib. Yeah, I would like to tell one thing inside the guy. He's not a guy. He's not a simple person. He is a star in American. I'm telling you why. When he came in American, he was quite confused. He went to office first. He came to class. I said that class said, "Have के साथ platform का लगता है sir? अच्छा ये head only problem क्या है sir? ये dodgers क्या होते हैं?" He was like asking many questions from me. I remembered when he joined. And today, the guy, he is on this position that he can talk anybody with any batch, any time, and any person. So I think he's a magic person in his life. Actually, if you talk about my life, I haven't seen such a person. Yeah, most of the people they are coming in American, they are asking how to learn English. The person who was nothing and he is something in American. So obviously it was very good platform and nice journey which he did sir in American. Thank you very much to be a part of it. So I can say that कि इंग्लिश सिखाया जा सकता है. मुझे भी अपने आप पे कभी-कभी भरोसा नहीं होता है कि मैं कैसे पढ़ाऊँ. लेकिन आपको देखते हो मुझे लगता है कि मैं पढ़ा सकता हूँ. सिर्फ क्लैप बनता है सिर्फ के लिए बहुत बढ़िया. And you are going to abroad, right? So when you will get some money, so please my QR code is here. Thank you very much. So you want to say something? Okay, so please.
Hello. Hello everyone. Good morning. Good morning. How are you everyone? First of all, I would like to say thanks to our respected Raj sir, who has given me a golden chance to share my experience. And all of you, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Now to start, you also know my name is Mohammad Shoaib. If you're talking about my journey in American Institute, before joining Institute, I don't know how to speak English, and I am every time I am in catch-22 situation because I don't know how to speak English. One day my father told that if you go abroad, firstly you need to learn English. After learning English, before learning English, I joined American Institute because I have studied many institute. They told that you have learned English, so you should have your 1 year. And I don't have a time to learn 1 year English. So I came American Institute and I met Raj sir. After meeting Raj sir, I told all the things. Sir, I go abroad and this is my situation. After Raj sir told that don't worry, I will complete your English speaking course for 3 months. After 1 month, I am very confused. Sir also told that because in confusion like that, I was not studying English in my school time. So that's the reason I am confused. But after 1 month completed, I know all the things. How to speak English, how to public speaking, how to give an interview. After that, Rasa taught me everything. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, all of you.
Thank you very much. Actually, while you were speaking, most of the people, those who are watching us, they will learn something. English can be spoken within 3 months. It is up to the person, right? Up to no duration, it is up to the tendency of the person. If you are eager to learn English, no one can stop you. And if you are not eager to learn English, no one can help you for English speaking. That was very nice. So really, you will be example of a guy who can to learn English within less time and do hard work. That was your great performance. That was nice. So after you, I'm going to next. So I'm going to Mr. Faz. He joined American so late, but he has got some experience regarding our institute, so he is going to tell. Yes, sir, please.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Hello.
How are you?
Close to me.
I am fine. What about you, sir?
I'm also doing good. As you know, my name is Mohammad Faiz and I am from Baramati. So thank you, Raj sir, who gave me this opportunity to speak here. Actually, my brother said to me that I should go Dubai for a job. Then I thought that I should to learn English. But I thought I have to learn English 1 year. But I have no time. I have no more time. Then how do it? So my friend's brother suggested me about Institute of American Institute because he also did learn English from here. Yeah. When I came here and I talked to Raj sir about English speaking course, then already a batch started and I am already late. But Raj sir very hard work for me, and I also very hard work for learning English, and slowly my English improved, and this time I am speak well, but starting time when I go on the podium to speak anything, I have to face very difficulties. But this time I am very comfortable to speak on the podium. So thank you, Raj sir, for learning English. Yeah.
Good. Yeah, next I'm going to a guy. Yeah, if you're talking about the fast, so sorry I didn't teach you so many things because you joined late American Institute. And one more thing I would like to tell you by you guys to other batches also. Sometimes if you don't complete your homework, I scold you. Sometimes if you speak in a Hindi, I scold you. Some kind of mistaken which you have done in American. So sometimes I speak some like I talk some rudely sentence with you. So I apologize for that. But lately I realized one thing: without discipline, you guys cannot do anything in your life. That's why I always say that speak in English, speak in English. Why? Because if you're doing mistakes in English, there is no problem. You can improve your English. But if you are speaking in Hindi, so it means you are just going on wrong path. I cannot help you. If you are standing on the podium, I can help you because you are speaking something. But if you are saying that, sir, I am not able to speak English, that's why I will not go to the podium. So how can I help you? A person who is speaking on the podium, he is trying to speak something. And one day he will be a great speaker because it's time to speak. Right? It is like a batsman to go to the pitch and just start playing. One day he will hit the sixes by practicing the same game like English. Okay, so thank you very much, friends. Actually, you gave me extra compliment which I didn't don't deserve for that. Thank you very much. So next, I would like to invite here. Not invite. I'm going to hand over my mic to her. Actually, I quite confused to recall her pronunciation, the name, number of the times. Still, I'm confused, so I'm going to Amna ma'am. So she is going to tell you something about American experiences. Yes, ma'am, please. Yeah, you should come actually. You're going to speak now. How are you? I'm learning only at this. Please.
Good morning. My name is Amna Azana, and I am from Baramati. And I am high school class. American Institute is a good institute in Baramati. When I come in American, I don't know how to speak English frequently. Now my English is improved. As I am a student of ICC school. But my English is not good. But now my English is improved because of master, and he has given me confidence how to speak English, how to face everyone to speak English. And last is a good teacher in Baramati, and he is a teacher of English. And thank you.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, to speak about American. And thank you very much to your mother. I'm very thankful to her. She, I think, got your admission done in American Institute. So I would like to tell one thing that if your mother watch any single video of American, actually if you spoke something, so if you had spoken in American, it would have been well for me. But you didn't do that. I am very feeling guilty regarding this because your mother hadn't watched any single video in American of you.
So she was.
No,
Yes. sir. You can ask one.
Surely, that's nice. So let's, I'm going to hand over my mic to one person. Yeah. I'm coming to you, Nidima. Nidima will be here. So, yeah, I'm going to Kai. He is from another batch, but the batch was over, so he joined this batch. He comes only for the conversation. So he's going to tell you something about American experiences. So he is none other than Mr. Sunny Deol. Yeah, please. Close to your mic.
Thanks to give me the name Sunny Deol. Basically, my name is Sunny Shoti, not Sunny Deol. But thank you for giving me this topic. And I love to learn English from this batch because I'm not able to speak something. I'm not able to make words in English in conversation, in the field, in the people. Of course, with my brother, he is a very good English speaker, and I cannot match his attitude. So I just want to make this his level. So I come here and I started learning English. And a lot of things I have learned in this batch, in this American school. And of course, only sir cannot teach you many things. You have to make your own effort. I make my own effort. I used to watch a lot of videos, and I used to watch like ChatGPT and used to talk with them in English and try to make my conversation better than better. So, and you see myself, you can see how can I speak in English better. And Rasa told me that you learn very well in less time. How is possible? I told her that I used to watch movies, videos, and used to ChatGPT on home. That's why I'm here and I can speak better. And of course, thanks to Raj sir and my colleagues. They are better than me. They can speak better than me, and I'm learning from them. They give me a lot of lessons to listen to, and I learn a lot of things from them. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you, Doctor, to give me this opportunity to speak over here about the American history and about my experience. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes, Nidima. Start.
I remember
कैमरा चल इतना हिंदी करूँगा मैं चलो इस बार
I remembered at the first time I came American Institute. Raj sir given me some English sentences and I made him correct. So Raj sir told me your English is well, but second day when I came to in a conversation class, Sir Raj sir told me why you are not speaking in English. So I told sir I have knowledge, grammar knowledge, but I didn't have the confidence to speak in English. I was very shy that time. I don't want to talk to anybody. But when I come American and I met my classmates and Raj sir and I started conversation and I am confident to speak everybody and my shyness is overcome sir, after 2 months my English is getting improved and I can conversation with all and I speak very well in front of camera and podium classes. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so Janam, you have done? You are left? Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I'm going to invite a beautiful lady, an American, and I'm coming to you, ma'am. First of all, I'm going to LP Adalat. He became He became as a sir, how he was. So today he is going to share his experience in American. And really he is a good natured. I learned something from him also actually, how to talk with anybody. He's a very serious guy in American. So I'm going to Mr. Alok, please.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And English plays an important role in our life because I felt that when I was in class 8, I don't know how to speak English. There is a word knowledge, and that time I studied that Kanau Ladge. It was not good knowledge, and my all friends laughed at me, and at that time I was too embarrassed. And after that I tried to learn English, and in graduation, after graduation I searched institute to learning English, and there is an institute in Barabanki named American Institute I found, and I come here for learning English. I come here for learning English, improve my communication, and improve my shyness, because I used to shy in front of many girls. I don't talk to any girl when I was 20 years old. And after coming here, I started practicing learning English, and Rasa taught me how to communicate, and he taught me also that how to convince the people and how to speak in front of public. And he played a lot of roles to me, and one role also I played, the Ratan Sharma role, as I told. That was good for me, and actually that first time I played any character in my life. And sir is also good natured, and sir is also so handsome.
Thank you.
Good sir. Sir is good. That's all. Thank you, sir.
Nice, Mr. Alam, it was good. So, your journey is not stopped now. You are going to be again an anchor in American Institute, because Sunny sir will not be like poke the nose, otherwise I will be. Sir said that sir will फिर postpone हो गई. So, yeah. Sunny sir बोलते हैं postpone फिर करेंगे आप. So, finally tomorrow I will fill your form, because seminar is going to be. Sorry for that. Seminar is going to be organized finally, and Alan sir is going to be anchor there, and you will fill the form tomorrow. Okay, you always. Yeah. So next I would like to hand over my mic to such a girl in American. She is very. Yeah, she is very talented in American, and she learned so many things, and she has been coming here. Actually, she came last year for 5 to 6 days, and she left America because of some personal issues in her family. And after that, she came with Adika ma'am. Both are good actually by nature, by behaviors and all. So, if I talk about the marks in the communication skill, I give them 100%. Surety we can say that they are very good by the nature. माइक पे बोल रहा हूँ मैं, बाकी तो ठीक है. So I'm going to chat with them. So please, you have to take some experience now. थोड़ा बहुत बोल दीजिएगा.
Good morning, everyone.
Very good morning.
Firstly, I want to say, when I come here first time and I saw sir teach co-college here, so I feel very scared because I never taught any boys. So when the first time I speak voice, so I feel very scared. And then I told sir, I don't communicate voice. Sir asked me, ma'am, it is very natural. Don't take make some which
My
make
child is working now.
Sweet sir tell me this is not good. Yeah. So that's why I want to say this. And America Institute giving me a very good friend, Amina.
उस समय से फैज का भी याद था। Hey, continue. Very good. Yeah, you telling about Amna ma'am.
She is very good
Yeah.
and like nature. She is like nature. Me, मेरी तरह है nature. क्या करें? She likes me.
Also likes me.
And Raj sir teach very good. And
इधर से इधर आ गई। ठीक है, good. Very nice. Anisha. Oh my God. आज तो बॉस बताएगा आपको। देवी का है। पूरे दिन फोन लगा लिया। वही करती हूँ। चलिए, so it was great experience with you guys. Amna ma'am, you want to say something? You will try. अच्छा से बोलिए।
Firstly, I thank for Raj sir to given me a golden opportunity. Before joining to American, I wanted to speak English, but I couldn't speak English. I speak Hindi fluently, but English couldn't complete a sentence because Raj sir is build my confidence and improve my English. I told always Raj sir, I can't speak English, sir, I can't speak English. So Raj sir told me, you can do it. Your English is improved slowly. You speak English and don't speak Hindi. So my English improves slowly. So I speak fluent English and I talk English any person, always, anytime, any space. And good experience. My good experience is American Institute. American Institute is the best institute, and I spent time in American Institute is my best time. So I want to speak to some line. कश्तियाँ बह जाती हैं, तूफान चले जाते हैं। कश्तियाँ बह जाती हैं, तूफान चले जाते हैं। यादें रह जाती हैं, इंसान चले जाते हैं। Thank you to Raj sir, and I'm glad for Raj sir to improve my English. Thank you.
लास्ट एक चीज बोलूँगा, जो भी मेरे पास है मैं पूरी जान लगा दूंगा आपको सिखाने के लिए, सबको। बस ऊपर वाले से ही प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि बस जितना हो सके मुझे नॉलेज दीजिए, वो मैं आप सबके बीच में रखता रहूँ और बस not only you are here for only about manage society, how to tackle the situation, like how to like whatever the setback you are getting now in the from the society, how to overcome that. So you are not here only for the English. कौन बोलता है आप इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए यहाँ पे आते हैं? Variety of the things in the society आपको यहाँ पे सिखाई जाती है, और आप मुझसे ही नहीं, जैसे कि सर ने बोला कि अकेला इंसान क्या बोलते हैं, अकेले इंसान सब कुछ नहीं कर सकता है, तो आप सबको भी अपना 100% यहाँ पे देना चाहिए। एक दूसरे से भी काफी कुछ मिल जाता है सीखने को। So we all are assets of American. Thank you very much. Pehla Alam sir, thank you very much.